Hey guys, welcome back. Before we start today's video, I want to thank you all for watching my videos, liking my videos, commenting on them, messaging me your suggestions, improvement ideas. I'm really humbled by the whole experience and I hope that you will keep supporting me like this going forward. And the second point is I want to talk about the sponsors for today's video, and the sponsor is it's me myself who have paid my own money to buy the Ceat Gripp X3 tires for my Karizma. If you are in hurry and if you want quick comments from me on this tire, then you can directly jump to the timestamp that you'll see on the screen now. But I would suggest you that you watch this two-part series of the Jor ride so that you will get an understanding of what all terrains I did before presenting my thoughts on them. So without wasting more time, let's get back to the video.
I don't know if you can see, there are waterfalls there. What a beauty this place is. What a beauty. Just don't want to move from here. I just don't want to move. I'm just gonna soak in the moment for a while. टाइम की कमी है बॉस, टाइम की कमी है. I don't know if you can see, but I think those are sun rays which are covering the water, and that's light brown, dark brown. Wow. I've moved by this place. I'm seriously moved by this place. The amount of natural beauty and the aspects of this natural beauty that it throws, just moved. I'm lost. I mean, I'm so moved by this view. Oh, look at that up. I am 100% sure that you won't be able to, live this in a car. If you're watching it through a car, obviously you have to get down and see it, but again, with your AC on and all that comfort, I'm sure you will not be able to see this. Wow. Are you still recording? Not recording? I guess you are. Yeah. तिथे लावलं होतं बोर्ड जोरवाडी. हां ओके, एक मिनटं थांबा. तुटलेला रस्ता तर मला दिसत नाही अजून कुठे. ओके, अरे काय व्ह्यू आहे रे. पण दिस इज द बेस्ट राईड ऑफ 2021 फॉर मी. म्हणजे असं काय म्हणतात त्याला, आय एम स्पीचलेस. ओके, आता उतार चालू झालाय मला. ओ काय मस्त पाणी आहे, दुधासारखं पाणी आहे यार. आता इथं फेन्स संपलं आणि खाली रस्ता आहे. ओके, अरे इथे घर आहे. त्या घराच्या पुढे यायचं का अजून? अरे रस्ता म्हणजे पायवाट आहे. अरे ओय 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 ओय, पाय बाहेर काढून चालायला लागेल मला आता. Thank you. Whoosh.
Let me surprise you with something. Look at that. There are mountains there which are covered with fog right now. That is the road that I took to come. I don't know if the camera does justice to it, but those mountains are beautiful. Amay?
What's up? You
Courtesy
man,
to Amay to this for this location.
this is door भाई,
अपना हिंदी एक्सेंट में वापस.
जोर भाई. वाईच्या इकडे जोर गावात आपण आलोत.
That is my bike there, parked. This place belongs to Amay's brother-in-law Amol, who has completed building an ecotourism resort here. The interior work is in its last stage and it will be opened for guests very soon. After soaking in the view followed by a leisure brunch, it was time for me to head back and I was eager to reach back home before the sunset. Rain was going to accompany me on my return journey, so I geared up for the same.
Bye bye, see you buddy.
Too much adventure, too much fun. Return journey starts. Time is 1:30, I think so. So what I came to know is this is not as I earlier thought. This was maybe this is a road under construction, but this is actually not. This is the road just, what do you call it, बह गया, road बह गया. Basically these rocks came crashing down. Look at that water. Wow. Let's go. Look at this water. So this is all destruction due to heavy rainfall.
When I researched more about Jor village, I realized that it had recorded 646 mm of rainfall in 24 hours in the month of July. This was published in newspapers as well. This rainfall was higher than that in Mahabaleshwar, which recorded 594 mm of rainfall during the same period. And here is the worrying bit. It was the highest 24-hour rain ever recorded in Mahabaleshwar's history. So you can understand the severity of the rain in Jor village. And that was the reason that there were landslides and the roads had washed away at many places.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for 1 minute. So the reason I stopped is I want to show you guys something. So I'm using this Ceat Gripp X3 tires, and I think so this is the stock size at the rear and stock size at the front as well, right? Both are Ceat Gripp X3, and as you would have seen in the video today, I did a lot of slush riding. Obviously this is maybe 10-20% of what you guys must have experienced, but for me this was something of a test of these tires. But I would say that these tires are holding well in the slush as well as on the highway which I was doing in the morning. So if you have any questions about this tire, do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you are thinking of putting these tires, then this should help you. This video should help you. The whole trip you should get an idea what these tires are doing for me today. Okay, since it's raining now, I think I should start moving.
The Krishna River, which is the fourth biggest river in terms of water inflows and river basin in India, originates from Jor. There are references to this place in context of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which has generated curiosity in me, and I'm in the process of learning more about it.
Stop for lunch according to why. I'm just trying to remember the last time I stopped for lunch here. It was a good hotel. I just don't remember what was the name. Oh yeah, it was this hotel, correct. Okay, we are done with lunch. This is our bike. So update on the hotel Gandharva. Good place to sit, good washrooms, good food, but the service was slow. I don't know if it's because it is past 3 o'clock or whatever, but the service was very slow, very slow. And I ate a thalipit and dahi and a yummy, what is it? So this is Ganesh festival going on, so you had ukdiche modak or the steam modak, and that was fantastic. Yeah, so it was paisa vasool for sure. Tired of eating roti sabji, so thali pit for one person made a lot of sense. So now the time is, should be 4, I think. Yeah, 3:45. So I think before 5, if we don't encounter any traffic, we should be home. Yeah, that would be a great thing if we reach by before 5. Ganpati Bappa Moria. So we are going to join the highway now, and it should be a straight run home.
I encountered rain throughout my way back home. I crossed the Katras tunnel at around 5 p.m. to get into the city and back home sweet home. I hope you enjoyed this video and the two-part series. If you did and wish to see such more videos, then do click like and be subscribed for upcoming ones. I'll be back again with a new video soon. Till then, remember, good rides creates good vibes. Cheers.